Hello aspirants, I'm Indumati Karthikeyan from Inkara AS Academy. Today we are going to see about the 22nd November current affairs. This topic is PAN 2.0, which is taken from the Delhi edition. This topic comes under the GS2, Government Policies and Intervention for Development in Various Sectors and Issues arising out of the design and implementation. First of all, we must know what is PAN 2.0. The Cabinet Committee on External Affairs has approved that 1,435 crore for the projects PAN 2.0 by the income of tax department announced on November 25th. This initiative revamped the current IT system of the PAN, that is a common identifier for the business. Find out how the move will transform the system. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs, authorized the Income Tax Department, that is 1,435 crore PAN 2.0 project in this November 25th. What is a PAN 2.0? That is a permanent account number introduced in 1972 under the section of 139A of the Income Tax Act, serve as a unique taxpayer identification number. That is, this PAN 2.0 represent a tech-driven upgrade to this decade-old PAN-TAN service system. It is an e-governance initiative by re-engineering the business processes of taxpayers registration services. This government will spend 1,435 crore rupees on the project that is aimed at enhancing the taxpayers' registration services. The revamped PAN will come with a QR code feature, enabling the quick scans, full online functionality. This is a significant step towards the economic system that is entirely digital, secure, and also it should be very effective and also very much useful for people. How will this project is helpful for the taxpayers? This project, actually the PAN 2.0 project, aims to enhance the taxpayers digital experience through ease of access and also through the faster services and also the improved quality services. So this project will function as a universal identifier for the business related engagement across the specific domains. Aligned with the Government Digital India initiative, the project adapts a eco-friendly approach by using the paperless systems and also cost optimized infrastructure. It also offers enhanced security with the upgraded digital infrastructure for the better agility and also the protection. The project would consolidate core and non-core PAN-TAN activities into a unified ecosystem, enhancing validation services and also making process more robust. The existing system will be upgraded and the digital backbone will be brought into a new way. We will try to make a common business identifier. There will be a unified portal. It will be completely paperless and online. The emphasis on will be on the grievance redressal system. That is, Vaishnav said during the cabinet briefing on Monday. He added the grievance redressal mechanism is being updated for this protection of India, for the protection of Indian data, and also the PAN card wallet system is being set up with a unified portal. There will be no need to go to other portals. So only portal which will service all the necessary information and updation. Thank you so much.